So we actually have something really interesting happening. You and I have partnered, Minecore and Encompass Digital, to bring NetSuite solutions to Florida. You've been working with NetSuite for years. You're an expert, design, build, engineer, support. Can you just give me a little background, right, on how you got into NetSuite and why you feel it's like a valuable solution for businesses?
Hey, Matt, and it's so exciting and so great to be here. And we've been working towards this, and I'm really looking forward to what it's going to bring to the market. So I got into NetSuite about 15 years ago when I was working with a small ad agency in New York that had big aspirations for growth and needed a platform that it could scale with, but really needed something flexible and something that could get them quickly to market. So we looked at all the regular companies that you'd look at, but what was so attractive about NetSuite was it comes pre-configured. So we didn't have to reinvent the wheel. We could concentrate on their business. We could concentrate on the problems they were looking to solve and scale, give them data, give them visibility, give them velocity in the marketplace. And it started off as an initial project. And then it was a second one, a third one, and suddenly became a labor of love because you can see the difference that it makes to these companies. And all the things we hear about leadership and management and growth, this is the magic catalyst. The magic catalyst to everything is data. It's insights, centralization of data, having informed decisions so that you can better grow your business. And NetSuite gives you that. So that's where it's become a passion for me, and something that I think is really going to excite the market here.
Hey, thank you so much for enjoying this video. I have a quick message about NetSuite. Every firm that's come to us for guidance has totally transformed their business with NetSuite. So if you're in professional services, maybe you're in healthcare, manufacturing, could be that you're in warehousing, maybe you have an accounting firm or a law firm, could be you're in private equity, doing M&A, maybe you have a business that has multiple locations, or really it could be a wide variety of other industries. NetSuite solves so many of the business problems that you're facing. One major issue right now is QuickBooks Desktop. If you're using QuickBooks Desktop, which is going end of life, and you're ready to make a change, NetSuite will definitely solve that problem. Also, if you already have NetSuite, but you're frustrated or maybe you're disappointed with the level of service you're getting, with the outcomes that you're getting, with the productivity that you expect that you should be getting, you should definitely reach out to me, okay? Our clients consistently tell us that they feel way more confident and they see a lot more reliability and way better outcomes and productivity, not to mention 40 to 70% savings on NetSuite licensing. So we're here for you. Also, we'll help you determine if NetSuite is the actual right fit for you, and we'll provide expert support. So don't wait. Use the form below, schedule a free consultation with me, and let's see how NetSuite can transform your business. Now back to the video. Hope you enjoy. Thank you.